example, we can name it app component, and we're going to have from, and we're going to provide the path. So this is how imports and exports work in React. So once we've exported our app component, it's going to go to our main.jsx file, and it's going to get rendered to the previous div that we saw with the ID of root. So now we can go back to our browser, and as you can see, hello world gets displayed. Another rule when it comes to components is that they can only return one element. To see this, we're going to add another return. So let's say we had an h1 tag, and after it we defined another h2 tag with the text hello. As you can see, we're getting an error. That is because we cannot return two elements from a component. To get around this issue, what we need to do is wrap our return in a parent component. So here we can either use a div, or we can also use what is called a React fragment, which is similar to a div, and it's used to wrap multiple returns. So first we're going to look at the div. So here if we have div, and if we move our return inside the div, as you can see, the error disappears. Now the problem with this is that inside our index.html, when this component is being rendered, we're going to have two divs, the one with the ID of root and another div that we just created.